Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about leave encashment. Yes, it's from the topic of salaries. So friends, what happens with leave encashment? What is leave encashment? When I'm entitled for some leaves in company as an employee, but I don't take those leaves, that means I work extra, so I am now entitled for getting amount against those leaves, that is called as leave encashment. So such leave encashment which is received while still I am in employment will become fully taxable under the head of salaries. Further, when such leave encashment is received at the time of retirement, meaning to say I keep on accumulating my leaves over the period of my employment, and at the time of my retirement I get in lump sum the leave encashment. Such leave encashment received in lump sum at the time of retirement is fully exempt for government employee, as you can see here. And if I talk about other than government employee, then it is exempt to the extent of list of 4. Now what 4 things? First point is most critical in this: leaves standing to the credit of the employee at time of retirement restricted to 30 days for each completed year. So obviously this point seems to be bit complicated, but wait till the end of the video, we are going to simplify it with example. Okay, so as of now you can leave that A point. B, 10 into average salary of last 10 months, then actual leave encashment received, and lastly rupees 3 lakh minus amount of leave encashment earlier claimed as exemption, if any. So you have to calculate this 4 figures, friends. Now remember, from these 4 figures, second, third and fourth is very simple. Second is nothing but average salary of last 10 months into 10. Third is actual leave encashment, which will be given in the question, and lastly it's rupees 3 lakhs, that is the amount specified. So we have to work specifically on the first point. So let's see. But before that, the definition of salary. Salary here is same like HRA, that is basic plus DA, terms of employment plus commission, percentage of sales. Now see this example and everything will get clear via this example. Mr. Gupta retired on 1st December 21 after 20 years of service and received leave salary of 5 lakhs. Other details of his salary income are: so basic salary is given, DA, commission, bonus, and finally leaves availed during the year, and he was entitled for 30 days leave every year. Now our requirement in the question is to compute taxable leave encashment, assuming first he is a government employee. So friends, it's very simple. If he is a government employee, then it will be, as you all know, fully exempt. Yes, so taxable leave encashment in first case will be nil. Correct? Now going to the second case, I want preferably all of you to sit with calcs for this. So if you are not carrying calc, just pause this video, go get your calculator. Doing your things on the calculator all by yourself will give you a lot of confidence. Yes, see now what we have to do. Check what is the total number of completed years for Mr. Gupta. Very good, 20 years. Now what is his leave entitlement each year? You can see his leave entitlement each year is 30 days. Very good. Now what you are supposed to do is, yes, take 20 multiplied by 30, you will get 600 days of total leaves entitlement during the year. Now out of this 600, he has availed leaves for 480 days. So unavailed leaves is 600 minus 480, that is 120 days. Convert this 120 days in months. You will get 120 divided by 30. Yes, 4 months. So actually That's what exactly the first point was saying, that you should take leave standing to the credit of the employee at time of retirement. So we got it 120 and divided by 30, so you have now got it as 4 months. Agreed all of you? This is your first steps, first part of the answer. Now that should be multiplied by average salary of 10 months immediately preceding the retirement. Now let's find average salary. So his basic salary was 5,000 per month. 1,000 was increased with effect from 1st April 21. You must have seen that he has retired on 1st December 21. So you have to take 10 months before this. So yes, it will start from 1st Feb 21 and go on till 30th November 21. Now for first 2 months, that is Feb and March, the salary must be 4,000 per month, because 1,000 was increased with effect from 1st April. So from 5,000, 1,000 is increased from 1st April 21. So for Feb and March it would have been 4,000. So take on your calci 4,000 into 2 months, you will get 8,000, and for balance 8 months it is 5,000 per month. So 5,000 into 8, 40,000. So this way you get basic salary of last 10 months check as 48,000. Agreed? And now take Dlns allowance, which is as per terms of employment. Your Dlns allowance, you can check in the sum, is 3,000 per month, but out of which 60% is for retirement benefits. So 3,000 into 60%, yes, how much? 1,800. 1,800 into 10 months, 18,000. So your salary for purpose of this leave encashment becomes 48,000 plus 18,000. Absolutely correct. 66,000 is total of last 10 months. Divide by 10, you will get the average as 6,600. In first step you had got 4 months. Now multiplied by 6,600 and you will get the figure as, very good, 26,400. Second step though is simple, 10 multiplied by this average salary. So 10 multiplied by 6,600, which will be 66,000. Third figure, actual leave encashment given as 5 lakh. Fourth figure, amount specified in the act, that is rupees, yes, 3 lakhs. So out of this 4, least will be exempt. So exempt will be 26,400. Very good. So taxable finally will be 5 lakh rupees which you have received minus 26,400. So I hope you have understood the concept, and here taxable figure finally is 4,73,600. So yes, this was the highest level question on leave encashment. I hope you have understood it. So we are going to come up with 100 concepts, and of that this was the second one. Don't forget to watch the first one, which was on, yes, format of salaries. We have maintained a special playlist for this, so you can just follow that playlist on our channel. Thank you very much for investing your valuable time. See you in the concept 3 video, and I'm also leaving you with these notes of leave encashment in the description box. Thank you. Happy studying and keep up the zest of studying. All the best.